Alright, so we're out in the kayaks today. Me and my cousin Dylan. We're going to be throwing frogs and crawls, like bambino bugs, the Guggen ones, or he's got a couple of other different crawdad styles. But that's all we're going to be throwing today. We've got a lot of lily pads, and we're going to be flipping into some of the grass, and we're going to see how it goes. We will keep you posted. Rigging up some of these just to flip some of this stuff. Also, for anywhere we might miss one, and he seems like he's not going to go back after it. These are always good to have on after you piss them off a bit. They typically will just slam these after missing a frog. Flip him in, Dylan. Get him in there. Oh, that's a nice one, Dylan. Show the people. Oh, he's dark. No. Heck yeah. Yeah. On the frog? Atta boy. Alright. Kayak, the thing overheated, so we had to shut it off. We just caught, how many each? Two each? Three each? You caught 3, I caught 2?
Yeah, I caught a pickerel and 2 bass, and you caught a pickerel and a bass.
So we're...
Oh no, no, we're 3 and 3 because you caught 2 bass. You just caught that second bass.
Yep. Yep.
3 and 3.
So
same count, 2 bass, 1 pickerel each.
Hopefully, we might swing back over to that, all that nasty stuff later on with the frogs. Right now, they are slamming the bugs, so we're just gonna keep going with the bug. I don't, like, there's so much junk and then there's water, you know what I mean?
Right.
Like, even what we think is shallow where we're fishing is probably a solid couple feet. Oh my gosh, Dylan.
Bad one.
A wicked nice one, Dylan. How do we do this? I don't really land on this side. There we go. What we can do now, we might be able to turn the camera so you guys can see. Maybe a pound. All right, back at it. Big one, Dylan. Oh my gosh, Dylan.
I'm coming, bro. I'm coming.
No, I see him. He's wrapped around a frog.
Still got him?
I think so. If I go like this, I might be able to reach down and get him.
losing my... He's still on it.
Is he?
He's still on it. Oh, shoot. Dylan, grab my pole.
Yeah.
He's just sitting there. Just hold it just like that, and I should be able to reach down and lip him. Just don't put a lot of tension, because I got it with my hands.
Yep.
Oh, he's so deep. Hold on. I actually might be able to grab the stick and pick it up. Loosen up the tension. There he is. Hold on, Dylan. No. Let's go!
Let's go.
Whew. My man. Without you, that was not possible.
Teamwork make the dream work, baby.
Yes, sir. That's a solid one.
Hell yeah. There we go.
All right. That was a lot, Dylan.
I know.
What do you think he weighs?
I say 2.5.
2.5?
2.5. Yeah, right there.
Sorry for the foul language. We'll bleep that out. Okay. Oh, it's saying he's 1 ounce. It's not doing it right.
You gotta turn it on, I think, before.
It was. Holy cow, Dylan. That's a hog.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a nice right there.
All right, we're gonna let him go. Well.
Overheated?
No. I shut it off
Oh.
while I was trying to re-rig. And then my first cast, I didn't turn the camera on. And then I panicked and turned it sideways. Slaying him, dude. Tiny little baby. Little baby. Go tell Grandpa we're coming. Or Grandma, I should say. Oh, right beside that lid. I think we can get one right back in there. Nice, Dylan. Good one? Hold on, I'm coming. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh my, get him in, Dylan. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Hold on. Let me come over and try and pull you. Oh, shoot. We're both gonna get tangled now.
Bust out that scale, baby. Bust out that scale.
No, seriously.
Is that on?
Oh, yeah, it's on.
Oh, let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fatty McGee.
All right. Let's see. Where'd it go? I literally just had it.
Bro, he's gotta be 3.
Oh yeah, he's 3. No, he's 3. Oh, I got it. All right. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna do this a little bit different. Okay, we're zeroed out.
Yep.
Okay. Night. Oh, okay. 2 pounds, 6 ounces.
Let's go.
But there's no way that's 2 pounds.
No.
There's actually no way.
No, he fatso. You can jump back in.
He's about to jump at you. We got it on video too.
Let's go.
We're probably gonna have to change the battery here in a minute. We'll try and get as much as we can out of this battery. I think it's on like 10%. Oh, nope, missed him. I didn't give him enough time. You got one, Dylan. A nice one. Oh, shoot. Dylan, a really nice one. Oh.
It's a fatty.
We're just getting him in. Oh. Let's go, baby. They are slamming today. This is a really nice one too. Not quite as big as yours, but maybe 2 1/4. We had a little bit of a dry spell, so we turned the camera off for a while. But we got this little guy. This little baby. This little baby. But I might cure the dry spell. Dude, doing this compared to the other ones we got today.
Oh, I know.
I want to see what they look like side by side.
Yeah, no kidding.
I told you. That dry spell's gone. I got one, you got one. Oh, I'm telling you. There's something, Dylan, about being in a dry spell and then whacking one.
Oh, yeah.
Just another little baby. Just a little baby, though. Just a little. About the same size as that last one. It's not the same one, but I don't know how. Just a wee guy. A little bit further than I want. Let's go. Another one for the books.
Dude, we gotta be right around like 10 apiece right now.
Yeah, we're up there, that's for sure. It's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, Dylan.
Just got hit it right there?
Yeah. Right on the edge, bro.
Nice.
No.
No, he's on. He's on.
He came back and hit it. No. Dude, that's gotta be one of the most aggressive little bass I've ever seen. Two hits wasn't enough. We're coming back for it. Stuck with weeds. I knew that wasn't a bite. See, now my casting's just getting lazy. Watch your head.
Ooh, that one's good.
Yeah, this one's nice. I'm losing my pole. Alright. There's another one. There you go. Let's hook through it twice. There we go. Decent little one. No. Come here. Oh. Let's go, baby. All right. Big one of the day. Dylan. This thing's a pig. Dylan.
I know. Solid 3.5 right there, probably.
I don't know if you can see over my shoulder, but he's got another one. It's not even fair at this point. I had a really big bite over here a second ago, but I missed him. And I think it stuck him, so I don't think he's gonna bite again, but I don't even know how many fish we're at today. 2 seconds after I shut the camera off and got reorganized. So I think I'm just gonna leave it on. Dylan. I don't know where the hook is.
What'd you say?
I said I don't know where the hook is. We're about to guess. Oh, we guessed right. I don't think I've ever gotten tired of catching fish.
Me neither.
Kind of tired of catching fish. We might have to give him a break. Here we go. That one's swallowed.
All day, dude. We're almost slow for maybe the first hour.
Don't let the other people see.
We've been out here for like
Really?
oh yeah.
Let's see. Oh yeah, bud.
Look at that one. Let's go.
Good
Not a bad
stuff.
one at all. On the crawl.
All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Thank you for watching. Dylan, thanks for coming out, being a good sport, and leave any suggestions or anything in the comments. Anything you guys want to see, anything you don't want to see, different angles. I know this time was a little bit weird. My camera kept overheating, so I had to use a different mount, so we're mounted to the front of the boat. So if you want to see anything different, just let me know. But other than that, we'll catch you on the next one.